Hi there and welcome to the channel. Now, summer's on the way. I haven't made a sandwich for a while, so I thought I'd go for a lovely cheesy option. Let's get on with it. So there you go, another quick and easy sandwich idea, an amazing taste. The gorgonzola is very strong and might be an acquired taste, but with the sauce and everything else, especially when it's grilled, it tastes amazing. So good. Hope you enjoyed it. Click the like, don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully see you next time.